One of the things I love the most about Piktochart is the charts feature. So I just want to highlight that for you right now. So I'm editing my Piktochart over here, and on the left side, I'm switching over to tools, and then charts is one of the options. So you can see that there's a spreadsheet here. You can also import if you have some really crazy data, but my guess is we'll be working with smaller data sets. It kind of put this in by default for me, but one thing you'll notice is that you can add to it and it will just automatically update your graph for you. So it's sort of helpful to just edit right in here and be able to see the changes in the graph on the left and see if that's actually what you want to happen. So it might take a few minutes to play around with the formatting of that, but just to explore that, you might also want to make sure you give your chart a title. And then on the side, you can sort of just click through all of the different styles and see what fits your data the best. What I wanted to show you though today was the icon matrix. Before one of my students actually discovered this, I had kids copying and pasting icons over and over and over again, and it turns out Piktochart does it for you. So you can see that I have my 4 categories. They're all represented by triangles in different colors. So you actually get a lot of flexibility with this one. I'm going to go over here and click on the gear icon. And with all of the graphs, you can change colors around like so. And then you can change the title and text colors, so white, gray, or black, depending on what your background colors are. And then what's really cool about this one is you can change the shape. So right now it's the pyramid. You can change it to like the man or the woman. You've seen that a lot in infographics. You can also customize. So Piktochart has that icon library, and so maybe I just search for something like apple, and here's a bunch of apples, and now it sort of matches my theme, my title. So I just wanted to show you this gear and play around with that for the different graphs that you might choose. And when I'm ready, I'm just going to insert my chart, and here it is.